Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday morning and I'm off to Waterloo with my dad to go essentially move out. It's the end of my 5 years at Waterloo, at school and university. I'm moving out and moving back home. What the hell's going on here today? Welcome to my weekly vlog. The car is full, it is packed. It fits all like perfectly. It's beautiful.
Cheers.
The car is all packed and I'm ready to go. Hello, Delilah. Goodbye, Delilah. That didn't last long. Hi, Chelsea. Bye, Chelsea. She's leaving. Jane, here are the keys. Treat her well.
Oh, that's so official.
Yeah, now it's official.
Oh, jeez.
Delilah. Don't worry, I'll be back.
I'm hungry.
Y'all know I'll be back. Let's get the angle. Let's go show the empty room. Bye! She doesn't care. She's like, storage closet. Hello, babes. Bye, babes. I'm off. For real now. Bye-bye. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye,
The
Jean.
birthday plans will come out soon.
Yay! Bye. Mihan, because you weren't there, I'm giving you a special shout out in today's vlog because I don't know if I'm gonna see you, at least in this week. What am I saying? At least in this week's vlog. Mihan, I'm sorry I didn't see you when I was here. I had to leave early. I love you so much and good luck on your new co-op job. I know you're gonna do amazing and don't worry, I'm gonna see you all the time and of course we're gonna keep in touch. And now this is me tearing up because I don't know why I'm emotional. Okay, bye. We out looking at cars again. Really like that red Cruise. It's real cute. Found my car. Even with the black stripes. Can't see in because even this is black.
The windows, the previous one.
Yeah, it's got bird poop and everything. Even has like black stripes there.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, I'm back home now. The sappiness is over, as you can tell. Just wanted to do a quick haul because I got something while I was in Waterloo. It is so cool. I mean, it's a bloody pop socket. It's the pink confetti one or something like that. So sorry I'm talking in this voice. And yes, my chair automatically turns. Also, got my second order of Sephora. Don't remember if I said this in a vlog, but I picked up some more stuff as the sale came to a close. Nothing too exciting. So, you know, don't get too excited. Okay, so one thing I got is this Marc Jacobs set that I'm giving to my mom for Mother's Day. I thought it was really nice. She likes like lip glosses and stuff, so gotta go hide that. I got this Sephora Honey Lip Scrub because I've been dying to try this. And then the last thing I picked up, if you know, I am obsessed with these Stila Glitter Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. I got Smoldering Satin. This is what it looks like. That's beautiful. I literally just want to drench my eye in it. Oh, I can't wait till the November sale. I literally want every shade. I don't even care. That is my little Sephora haul. Hope you guys enjoy. Hello everyone and happy Monday. I was about to say Thursday. I don't know why I always think it's Thursday for some reason. I did a DIY craft activity. I'm also in the process of cleaning out the home closet because your girl needs some space to fill clothes. If I'm living here for a year, couple years, few years, 10 years, whatever, I need to have things the way I want it in order to function. Because all I have for storage right now is this little dresser, which doesn't hold much, and this closet, which is like so old, and so it just needs to be cleaned out. It's like from our childhood, basically. All my clothes currently reside in these 2 luggages from school, so it's not too much, but this situation in the closet needs to go. So I just went through all of our board games, and I'm very sad because I'm in that mood where I'm ready to like throw everything out, which is really good cleaning out this, because this is going to be full of like sentimental stuff that I just don't need. This is what's left. I kept everything that's in really good condition. I have like classic games, you know, like Trouble and Connect 4, Monopoly Junior, because if you don't want to play the full game Monopoly, you can always play this one. It is a lot quicker. Mousetrap, because I mean, I love building that mousetrap. And just a bunch of other games. Kept some puzzles because I love puzzles, and obviously quite a few deck of cards because, you know, King's Cup and all that. And then these are all the games that we are gonna sadly part with. I want to give them away to someone or some place that can use it, obviously. It's down to like 2 rows, kind of like 3. Before it was like all across the back. Yeah, this is my project. Like, you know, I'm unemployed and need something to do, so why not renovate the home while I'm here? Spend some money that I don't have and I'm not earning, because that makes the most sense, right? So I put on workout clothes because it's a million degrees, and I was like, I'm gonna go work out and then come back, take a cold shower, do everything I need to do because I'm waiting for my mom to get home to bring me some big black garbage bags. So instead of going downstairs, I decide to start cleaning everything. This is the situation on the floor. This is the situation on the bed. This is the situation in here. It's not that bad, luckily, because I stopped myself in the closet. Basically everything in the closet needs to be thrown out, so I'm waiting for the bags. So I stopped there as soon as I started and moved to my room instead. And now it is a big mess. Coco's having the time of her life right now. I should just go work out, but she's gonna be home like any minute now, hopefully. Why do I have to be in one of these moods? Coco, what are you doing? Okay, I gotta go before she like eats a plastic bag or something. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, and happy Tuesday! Sorry I'm not looking in the camera, but you know, I'm kind of driving, so I have to pay more attention to the road than the actual camera. Happy May! It is now May. Woo, we lived through April. Here's another month. A month closer to summer. It is currently 25 degrees outside. Going to Ikea. Mika's coming with me. Going to pick her up, and then, wow, it's sunny. And then we're gonna go on an Ikea adventure. So obviously had to bring you guys along for the journey. Hello!
We're so happy!
We're reunited!
My life is like complete, you know?
And Ikea, like that just tops it all.
It's great to see you. They'd love to see us online too.
First stop on the Ikea tour, we're going to eat. Most important stuff, literally. Veggie balls. They have veggie balls? Oh, I don't like curry. Oh, that's very sad.
That's for you.
Mac and cheese.
That's for you, that's for you, that's for you.
Literally. Oh, pasta with marinara. I'm in love.
You know those popular videos though now? Mukbang. Yeah. Mukbang. How do you say it?
I don't know.
Mukbang.
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 McGangbang.
I rewatched the vlog from Vlognica, where we were at Mihan's sister's getting ready, and how I'm doing my makeup in the bathroom. You both just come in. We were both chewing something too, I think. And you're just staring there. One of you is watching the camera, the other is watching me. It's literally us. I love rewatching that vlog. It's my favorite. It was really fun too. I was also sick.
Not always.
Because I'm always sick when we go out.
Realistically, you're just sick of me.
But I'll never share that. I'll never tell. Quality content. These pizzas are actually really good. Yeah, I'm enjoy them. Okay. Are you gonna fast forward this? We'll see.
Innovative kitchen. Classic kitchen. Black kitchen. Other black kitchen. Welcome to my office. This is what happens when you get 2 girls to put in a mattress in the cart.
I'd sit in there.
It'd be real comfy.
Yeah, it's kind of cute.
Ended up getting a mattress topper thing, and this is the trunk situation from Ikea. Hello everyone, and happy Wednesday. Coming at you with another morning update in the same spot. Different shirt though, same spot, same me. Where am I off to today? Well, actually, the same place as yesterday. I am going to pick up Nika, and we are going for a hike today. I am so tired, and we both couldn't wake up this morning, so it is now like 11 o'clock and we are off. But that's okay, because it is a gorgeous day outside. Today is 25 degrees. Chance of thunderstorms in the middle of the day, but hopefully we will be done our hike by then. My camera died yesterday while we were at Ikea. Anyways, yesterday all I did after Ikea was take Nika home, and then I had a quick like half-hour baseball practice because I start baseball this Sunday, which is exciting. Watch for poison ivy.
I'm so happy it's all dead right now.
It's all dead and beautiful. Look at this. There's a school here of kids.
We wish they'd really not
Exist.
be loud.
They're so annoying.
It's like friggin' thunder, but
But worse.
but children.
And it doesn't stop.
It's a vlogger. They literally don't understand.
How do they see this? I'm fucking blind.
This is where they make maple syrup.
Oh.
Over there.
Oh my god, was that what? No, it's probably a squirrel. I hate kids. Guys, we found a turtle. Slash Nika did. Oh my god. They pretend like they don't exist, but like same.
But like, yeah.
Oh, he is huge. Holy
If you bother
crap.
them, they'll bite you.
Well, yeah, this one looks angry.
My mom got bitten by a turtle once.
Well, why would you go near
She
it?
tried to, he was on the road and she tried to save him. And he was like, hell nah.
Poor thing. He's probably like traumatized.
Now, because we're filming him, he's like, I'm camera shy.
He's so big. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever seen a turtle before.
I
actually.
want a turtle.
Yo, what if he like all of a sudden gets fast and snaps at you? There's a birdie. Ah, there's a snake!
Where?
In there!
Did it move?
Yes, I was gonna walk on the wood and then he fucking moved.
Where is he?
Right there in front of you.
I don't see him.
In the grass.
Oh yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's moving. Guys, I'm not good at this whole nature thing.
When I was a kid, I used to find snakes all the time.
That's the first time I've actually seen one. I had a course, an ecology course in second year in the summer, and we went like hiking all across like Waterloo region.
We go this way.
And
Look, there's a woodpecker in there.
I saw nothing.
You know what
Oh,
it
he's
is?
so
It's because
cute.
usually people scare them away by the time like you get here, or if you come in like
Good.
on the weekends. They no what?
That's the kind of hiking I like, safe hiking.
I haven't actually seen this many like.
Oh, the turtle left. Oh no, he's still there. Never
He's
mind.
chilling.
I don't blame him.
He's like, I'm a stone.
Literally. Okay, I'm good. Where are we going?
Can't go this
Yeah,
way.
you can't go that way.
This is
I
where
just wanted
thought
to
we were
look.
going.
I mean, it is labeled. Good luck.
There used to be a bridge. How the frick?
Is it safe now? I hear something moving. Oh, they're birds.
I'm so happy we saw a turtle.
That was so cool. It says trail closed.
So naturally we're gonna go.
There's supposed to be this fish. I don't see the fish.
Let's just be like Jesus and walk across the water.
But why is it closed? Due to hazardous conditions.
Well, there's no hazard.
Yes, there is.
We might
The
get
sign
another
says
turtle.
so. Oh. We could see snakes. Probably couldn't see that on camera. I love blue jays.
Sucks for the camera.
I think he's going for the turtle. I really do. He flew the other way though, so the turtle's safe for now. Cute Muskoka chairs. Everything's dead like my soul.
That's why we're friends.
Damn right. I'm not leaving this Muskoka chair. Sorry.
It smells like trees.
And burnt hair. But that's because I put my hair in front of my face. It takes me like 2 to 3 days to drink one of these.
Same. Because they're so sweet.
Yeah, it's so much sugar. I'm not used to sugar in my drinks.
But it's also probably good because there's like supposedly vitamins in there.
Yeah, there's B6 and B12, which is good.
I got a lollipop.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of myself. I realized that the best thing about being an adult is that you can get lollipops whenever you want and you can eat them whenever you want. There were like a bunch of kids walking in and I was like, have a lollipop?
She's speaking the truth.
Got it from my own money.
Look at those big houses.
Yeah, this
Hurts my heart. Welcome to our in the car vlog. All we do is like sit in front of the camera and eat. Oh god.
It's beautiful to not have to pay any attention.
It's so scary.
To never learn how to drive.
To be in the car with you driving.
True. See, this is why I'm not doing it. Because I feel bad for everyone.
I feel like once you like learn how to drive yourself, all you want to do is drive yourself and you don't want to be driven by anyone else because you don't trust their driving. At least with me, I have big trust issues when it comes to people driving. It's really bad. I'm not as bad now, I think, but also none of my friends drive, so I have nothing to worry about.
We're all friends with her because she drives. That's the only reason.
It's a good reason, actually, especially around here.
No, but I also don't really trust like a lot of people. I just don't have a choice.
Yeah.
But I do trust you, so that's good.
Thank you. Anyways, we're done hiking now. And we're going to the mall. Cheesecake.
Or we might get cheesecake.
I forgot about the cheesecake. I was just thinking about Sephora.
We're definitely gonna go to Sephora.
And Forever 21. I have no money, but I want to spend all of it. And we're not getting Chipotle.
Fuck Chipotle.
Fuck you.
It was so bad.
It was terrible. And now my dad doesn't want to eat there ever.
Good.
I convinced him.
It was honestly so bad. Their guacamole tasted like vinegar lemon juice, which was just not cool because literally the only reason I got Chipotle was to get avocado.
You and your avocados.
And it sucked. And then I had nightmares about it. Pretty much, like actual nightmares, I'm pretty sure.
That is tragic.
It was so bad.
Damn. That's actually really bad.
No, it was like, I was really bad. Everything else was bad too, but I can only remember the guac. Oh yeah, and then my friend told me that she got guacamole at the Cheesecake Factory, and I was like, was it terrible? Because I thought everything is terrible, you know, all guac is probably
What
terrible.
she said?
She said it was great.
That guy, what, you asleep?
Literally her in the car.
It's still recording. Now I can go, thank you, goodbye. Okay, bye. I'm back home now in the elevator. We did some shopping, and by we, I mean Mika. She got some Nike shoes, she got a little coin purse thing from Fossil, and her mascara from Sephora. I, however, did not look out, so I did not buy anything. But I'm home now, and I'm doing an ab workout tonight. Mark my words, I'm going to do it. And now it's time to go see Coco, because obviously she's the best. Hello! You're right at the door for me. How are you? Hey! She just ran outside. Showered, and in my robe, I had a great workout. I sweated so much. I sweat so much. Anyways, Coco's here. She's also super hot, and I feel so bad for her because the AC isn't on yet. That is the end of today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.